is a random variable we represent with capital X, and this random variable is what? This random variable is a function on sample spaces. Function on sample space S. This is a random variable, means simply you should remember it is a function on sample space S. See, for example, in tossing of a coin, three times. Tossing of a coin 3 times. I tossed a coin 3 times. Okay, here I'm defining sample space. See, here I told no random variable means it's a function on sample space. Function means where to where it is a function. And another thing is how it is defined. These two things must be clear. Whenever we say function, two things will be there. So in tossing of a coin 3 times, number of possible heads is a random variable. I'm giving example. Random variable. Okay. See, now how it will, I'll correlate this definition in this to this example. Okay, I will correlate this definition to this example. Here, tossing a coin 3 times, number of possible heads is random variable. See, now first thing I told is random variable X is what? This random variable X is a function on sample space, means like this. Function means what? F maps. Generally, we write F maps A to B. Let's say F maps A to B. Let's say here A equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So then we will get F of 1 is what? F of 2 is what? And F of 3 is what? This is a function I am telling you. So here 1, 2, 3. Let's say here one image A, B. See, one image is A, 2 images B, like this. So here F of 1 we know, F of 2 we know, F of 3 we know, F of 3 also we know, that is B, like this. Function means this. Here in the place of F is what is there? X. In the place of F, what is there? X is there. In the place of A, what is there? In the place of A, S is there. In the place of B, what is the real numbers? Okay, this is C. Random variable is a function defined on S. Defined on S means what? It is sample space from S to some other set, that S to real numbers. Okay, and here one thing is, see, whenever we say function, where to where it is function and how it is defined, like this. Image of 1 is A, image of 2 is A. So here how it is defined? Here how defined as X is a function from S to R, defined as, how it is defined in this case, in this example, how it is defined? Defined as number of heads. Okay, now see how it will work. See, yes, what is S? S is sample space now when 3 coins are tossed. So I am writing S. So here like A, if we write A, F of 1, F of 2, F of 3, if we write S also, we'll have like this H, 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 T, so on up to T, T, T. So 8 outcomes will be there. Now X of, here in the case of A, 1 is there first. But in this S, what is there? H, H, H. Now what is the value of H? 3. Now X is number of heads, right? Number of heads. Now, what is number of heads? 3. Like this it will work. Okay. This is also function. F of now H, H, T. This H, H, T is 2. X of H, T, H. This is also 2. X of T, H, H. What is this? This is also 2. Like this. Like this you can write, see, F of 1, F of 2, F of 3, and also you can write X of the X of H, 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 X of H, H, T, like this. You can write down like this. See, like H, T, T, that is 1. X of T, H, T, that's also 1. X of T, T, H, that's also 1. X of, that means F of, here in this case, F of 1, F of 2. In this case, X of T, 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 that's what is 0, like this. See, this is how you write sample, you write a random variable. See, whenever you say random variable, this is always same. Okay. Random variable is a function on sample space. That is, random variable is a function from sample space S to real numbers. How it is defined? This definition will change. Like here, definition will change now. So here in this function, say for example, f is a function from R to R, defined as, we say no, defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 3. Like this will change, 2x plus 3. Okay, this definition will change. In this case, that defined as number of heads. So therefore, you should remember, random variable means simply you should understand it's a function defined on sample spaces. It's a function on sample spaces. That is, random variable x is a function from sample space S to real numbers. How it is defined? This is different in different cases. In this example, what is the definition? Number of possible heads. Okay, like that. Okay, so here what is important here? X value means what? See, function value. What is the function value here? A comma b only. Function value finally a comma b only. Function value, that we say function value. This is variable value. This is function value. So here also function value or range. Here what is range? See, what is range? Range is a comma b. Here range is a comma b. Similarly, here also range of, this is important, range of random variable RV, we write random variable x is, range of random variable x is, range of random variable x is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. You see this. No. Range of random variable is C. Here. Now I showed you, range is what? C. Range means this. Range means x value. X value is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this. This is what is random variable. Okay, hope you are clear. Now let's take another example. Another example. I am writing another example. In rolling a die, in rolling a die 5 times. In rolling a die 5 times, random variable x is defined as number of 6s. You understand? Random variable is, this is another example for random variable. This random variable, see, this is in rolling of a die 5 times. Die is rolled 5 times. See, sample space n of s. How many outcomes n of s? Now 5 times, first 6, 6, 6, 6. Now first 6, it can result in 6 outcomes. The second also it can result in 6 outcomes. Third also it can result in 6 outcomes. Fourth also, fifth also. Therefore, number of outcomes will be 6 to the power of 5. N of s is 6 to the power of 5. This is total number of outcomes which you cannot write. Okay, here, but what we can see here, number of 6s, that is x value, random variable x value is x belongs to, okay, x is a function here, and this value x belongs to, or what we can say, simply x equal to, you can say, but here x is a set function, therefore you can write this as number of 6s can be, అంటే 6 మొత్తమే పడకపోవచ్చు, number of 6s can be 0, number of 6s can be 1, number of 6s can be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. See, number of 6s, okay, first time you may get a 6 or you may not get. That means number of 6s how many? It can be 0, 6 అంటే 6 మొత్తమే పడకపోవచ్చు, only 1 6, any 1 6 or any 2 6s, any 3 6, any 4, any 5 6s. Okay, here, if at all you have to write, you have to write the 6 to the power of 5 outcomes you have to write, but I am writing like this. See, for example, first 2, then first 1, 2, 4, 4, 5. See, 5 outcomes are this. First 1, second 2, third 4, the fourth 4, and fifth also, fifth 5. So here, what is the value of this? Is 0. Why this is 0? F of number of 6s, number of 6s how many? 0, like this. See here, let's say 6, then 1, 2, 5, 4, let's say. Here number of 6s is only 1, like this. Okay, so what is important is here, x value, range of x is what is important. Random variable, what are the values that random variable assumes? Okay, what are the values that random variable takes is very important. Okay, that is what is random variable. Now let's discuss what is probability distribution. Probability distribution. That means what? Probability distribution means we are distributing probability over probability distribution. Okay, I'll write like this: probability distribution of random variable. The probability distribution of random experiment or sample space, random experiment over random variable x over x. See, now I am probability I am distributing over x. See, for example, in this case, first example, this second example. What is probability distribution? We are distributing this probability. Probability we are distributing over random variable x. What is random variable x value in the first example? 0 heads or 1 head or 2 heads or all 3 heads. Okay, understand this like this. See, probability of x here we say. Probability of here x equal to 0. Number of 0 heads. Number of heads 0. 0 heads is 1 by 8. See here. Here see. 1 out of this 8 outcomes. Okay, 0 heads is only 1. 0 heads is only 1 outcome. Okay, out of 8. Now, probability of 1 head. Probability of x equal to 1 means what? 1 head. Probability of 1 head. 1 head is 3 out of 8. You see back. And 2 heads is 3 out of 8. And probability of all 3 heads is 1 out of 8. This is what is probability distribution. That means what? We are assigning probability. This probability distribution means what? Assigning, if you want definition, assigning probabilities. Assigning probabilities to the values of random variable x. And see, it is there in this probability distribution of random experiment over x. Probability distribution where we are distributing to random variable x, or probability distribution over random variable x. Okay, random variable x ki manam probability distribute chestunnamo. Ante probability distribute chestunnante probability is total is only 1. That 1 only we are distributing, right? So therefore, first formula is this. What is random here? What is the sum of probabilities of random variable x? Sum of probabilities of random variable x equal to what? You know, always this is 1. Or we write like this, or we can also write like this: summation p of x equal to xi, we write xi. This is equal to 1. Or this only we write, or we can write even simply, you can write some p of this also we can write, that's 1. Anyway, this is some of the probabilities. Okay, if you add, this is some of the probabilities. If you add, no, 8 is LCM, 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, that's 1. Okay. Random variable and probability distribution. Okay, 2 more points I'll tell you, and then number 1, here I told you in this is number 1, sum of the probabilities. I'll write p of x equal to xi. I'm writing. That means what? Random variable x value is xi. That means x1, x2, x3. That's what I told you is 1. That is sum of the probabilities. Okay, for any random variable. Any random variable you take, some of the probabilities must be 1, because that 1 only we distributed. Therefore, if you add, then you should get 1. And the next mean x bar, mean, that is x bar we say, or we say mu. Okay, mean of, see, this is mean of what? Random variable x. Mean of random variable x is defined as summation xi into p of xi. You should understand what is xi and what is p of xi. So here xi is what? You know, xi is value of random variable x. Okay, and p of xi is its probability of random variable x equal to xi. Okay, this you can write like this also, or this you can write summation xi is what? X equal to, this is summation xi I am writing. Xi means and P of x equal to xi we write generally, x equal to xi we write. Okay, this is probability. So now in the example 1, mean is mean of x equal to what, xi means what, 0 into its probability 1 by 8 plus 1 into its probability 3 by 8 plus 2 into its probability 3 by 8 plus 3 into its probability 1 by 8. Please understand this. I wrote from here. This is x equal to xi. I am writing here x equal to xi. This is p of x equal to xi. P of x equal to xi. X equal to xi. P of x equal to xi. Hope you understand. We write x equal to xi. Xi means what? Xi means x1, x2, x3, x4 like that. Here xi is 0, 1, 2, 3. X equal to xi. X equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to x equal to 3. We write as x equal to xi in general. Okay, hope you understand. So this is what is mean. Mean means what here? This is summation xi. Okay. Variable and its probability plus variable and its probability. First variable and its probability. And next the second value of the variable and its probability, like that. So this is what is a mean. And the next third thing is variance. What is the variance? Variance is sigma square, which is defined as summation xi minus x bar or xi minus mu. I am writing here x bar only. I am writing xi minus x bar whole square into p of xi. Hope you understand. This is probability and this is xi is the value of the random variable and x bar is mean. Okay, this you can write. This if you simplify, what you get? Summation xi square into p of xi minus summation x bar square. Okay, this is what is the variance. How do you find variance? Is like this. Okay.